Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your internal thermometer probe on your pellet grill. Today we're going to be showing you how to do it on a DLX, but it's applicable to many other different pellet grills as well. Before we get started though, make sure that your pellet grill is unplugged and has had time to cool down. Let's get into it. First thing we need to do is take off the bottom panel from our hopper by undoing these 4 screws so we can get to the connections. Next you need to locate this wire and unplug the connector. Now remove these bottom racks and undo these 2 top screws. Next we got to take off these other 2 screws that are the heat plate right here. Now you're good to pull your thermometer out. Now that your old probe is out, we'll grab our new one and apply the same steps but in reverse order to connect it. So once your thermometer is fed through, you can find the other connection coming off the controller and connect your new line to it. Once you're done connecting the wires, now you can put on the bottom plate. I hope this video helped you guys today. If you have any additional questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer support helpline. Thank you.